What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you the full guide of how to get and use Instagram threads right now super easily and fast. So make sure you watch this video to the end if you want to find out how. To use Instagram threads, what you guys want to do is click on your Instagram profile just like this, then click on the three lines in the top right hand corner. Once you click on the three lines, you should see a thing that says threads right there. As you can see, it's the second option. It says threads with a new icon. Of course, this won't appear for some people, so if the threads option doesn't appear here for some people, just go to the app store and search for the threads app. But if you've got the threads option, just click threads like that, and just like that, it should load this cool looking card right here, which is honestly pretty sick. As you guys can see, it kind of looks like a concert or movie ticket, and it looks pretty cool in my opinion. Of course, guys, once this card loads, all you guys have to do is press the get threads button down here. So press get threads, and then it's going to load the threads app on the app store. So of course, guys, if the thing doesn't work on Instagram, all you guys need to do is search threads on the app store or the Google Play Store, depending what device you guys use, and this is the app you need to download, threads and Instagram app. So of course, guys, just go ahead and download the app. So I'm going to download the app right now. Alright guys, so once the Threads app has finished downloading, just go ahead and press open right now, and boom, just like that, it is going to open the Threads app, which looks absolutely insane. Now for those that don't know, Threads is basically like Instagram's version of Twitter, which is pretty cool. So if you're a fan of Twitter, you might be a fan of the new Threads app. Of course, down here, you can pick which account you want to use. So I'm going to use my account, so press that one guys, and just like that, it is going to go ahead and load your profile. So of course here, you can pick what you want to put on your profile. For now, I'm just going to press skip this one. Of course, you can fill it out later or fill it in there if you guys want. I'm just going to press skip like this. Boom, skip that one. Now, of course, you can also pick if you want to use a public profile or a private profile. Of course, guys, for me personally, I'm going to go with a public profile, but feel free to use a private one if you guys want. So I'll go public, press next, and of course, then just like that, it's going to suggest some accounts you guys might want to follow. So of course, it's just going to come up with a bunch of accounts you guys might want to follow on your thread. So of course, guys, I'm just going to skip that for now, or you can go ahead and do that if you want. So I'll skip that one. And of course, this is going to tell you how it works. So of course, it says Threads is part of the Instagram platform. We will use your threads and Instagram information to personalize ads and stuff. And of course, it says some more stuff about threads right there. Just go ahead and press join threads, and oh my goodness, you can allow notifications or not. I'm going to not allow them, and just like that, you have got access to Instagram threads, as you guys can see. So this is basically what the Instagram threads app looks like. It's basically just Instagram's version of Twitter. As you guys can see, it's good for like news and talking and stuff like that, guys. So this is the homepage, and of course you can search for different things here, different accounts and things. Then of course, here's where you can see all your notifications and your activity. Then you can go ahead and write a thread right here if you guys want, and that's how simple and easy it is, guys. And that is how Threads works right now here in 2023, and that is how to access and use Threads right now. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe.